Yeah, I started now again food for this afternoon. Around going to feed them 4 o'clock because this one will cook uh, 1 hour or almost quarter to 1. So I will just leave the fire here while I'm doing another job. Doing feeding. I fed the dog first, followed the pig, and last is the chicken. So this side, that's meat. You wanna see the meat? That's the meat. So I'm going to cook that one for their food too. But I'm gonna cook first the corn. After that, the meat here. So one water here. 10 liters water inside that's inside the pots. That's how big the pots here, and they're so full now, as you can see that. And some here, and whiskey is full too, so those are full. I include meat, pork meat, bones. We bought that one, and on the mall we won't give a rough meat, but instead I cook it. So everybody's happy after meal. So I still have here the firewood to cut. Later I'm going to cut this one into short pieces. Still a mess here on the floor. So now I'm going to go so I can feed the pig. Oh, there's the chicken here. I need to keep the basin here. That's all my job here. Not a mess. So the puppies container and little's container. Kawa lang. So I'll just set a fire here. Then I keep on eye every now and then to check if the fire is still going on. So bye guys. I'm going to proceed to the pig.